In this video, let me show you how to fix low-value content error in AdSense account. First, write quality articles with a minimum of 500 words to ensure your content is well-researched and valuable. After that, add internal and external links to connect your content with other relevant pages on your site and trustworthy external resources. And then, make sure your site provides useful and informative content that aligns with its purpose, such as blog posts or detailed articles. After that, remember that Google AdSense does not improve websites with low quality or spammy content. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.